Well, firstly, to recap, yes, the Feb seasonality did play out. Markets continue to remain weak in the month of February, and if it continues to remain weak for the next couple of sessions as well, then it will be the longest monthly losing streak for the market, that is the benchmark index Nifty 50 in the last 28 years. Now, what's in store for March? Well, picture does not look that bad, at least when it comes to the March month. If you look at the benchmark index Nifty 50, it has managed to close in green 7 times out of the last 10 March, and the average return has been around 2.3%. Now, this is excluding the COVID-19 fall we are calculating. For Nifty mid cap and small cap, they have managed to close in green 5 out of the last 10 years, and the average return has been anywhere between 2.3 to 2.7%. Now, if you look at the sectoral indices, the picture is not that good, in fact, for the sectoral indices, because nearly 5 of the sectoral indices have managed to close in red nearly 6 or more times. In fact, Nifty Auto is the worst performer. 7 out of the last 10 years, it has fallen in the month of March, and the average return has been negative 2.6%. Media, IT, real estate and CPSE have fallen nearly 6 out of the last 10 years, and the average returns have been anywhere between negative 1 to negative 2.5%. But on the other hand, if you look at the Nifty Pharma Index, has fallen just 5 times, average return is positive 1%, while all the other indices, FMCG, Bank, PSU Bank, Financials, private banks, metal, energy and MNC, all these indices have just fallen 4 times in the last 10 years, and the average returns have been anywhere between positive 1% to negative 1%. Now comes the most interesting part, which are the stocks that we need to watch out for in the month of March based on seasonality. Now, these are the stocks that have given positive returns in the last 7 out of the last 10 March, and the returns have been more than 4%. Navin Florin has outperformed here, 9% average return for the last 10 March months, last 10 years of March month. Indigo has given positive returns of 6.6%. APL Apollo, Ipca Labs, KEI Industries have gained anywhere between 4.5 to 6% in the month of March. Then there is Nestle, SRF and Page Industries, which have on an average given a return of 4% in the month of March. On the negative side, these stocks have fallen in the last 7 out of the last 10 years, and average returns have been more than negative 4%. HFCL has fallen on an average 10% in the month of March in the last 10 years. RBL Bank down 8%. Hudco, Vodafone Idea, Apollo Hospitals have fallen anywhere between 6 to 7%, while Coal India, M&M and Bharat Forge have fallen anywhere between around the 5% mark on an average in the month of March.